Welcome to part 2 of our trip to Germany, where we explore Munich and Freiburg's beautiful Christmas markets. Meeting up with one of Laura's family members that lives in Munich, we were taken on a grand walking tour of Old Town Munich. The atmosphere was festive, almost carnival-like. Locals gathered to celebrate the holiday and drank Gluhwein, which I've explained before is a mulled wine. The booths were filled with all sorts of arts and crafts and decorations. One of my favorites were the food booths selling Kuchen, which is a German cake, and Stollen, which is a Christmas cake made with marzipan. Wandering the cobblestone streets and alleys, we found plenty of little cafes with umbrella tables. Unfortunately, this time of year, if you were open with outside seating, the cold seems to have driven everyone indoors. Be sure to watch part 3 of our tour of Munich, where we explore castles, palaces, and museums.